welcome to my daddy's garden. Look at my daddy's tomato tree.
Okay, can you show me? Oh, nice.
One.
Okay, be careful, be careful.
One there. And
One clump, right? Okay, don't touch it, don't touch it. Just leave
one
them.
here,
Okay,
and one here, and one here.
good. Show us another one. Can you go
One
around?
here, and one here, and one here.
That's a
and
lot
one
of
here,
tomatoes,
and one
huh?
Here, and one here, and
There's some in there.
here.
Why don't you pick out one clump and can you count?
Here, and
Why don't
one here, and one here, and one here.
Okay, let's go around there.
One here, and one big clump there, and one there, and one there, and one there.
Wow, so we have a lot of tomatoes, huh?
There's one.
Okay, so what kind of, that's a Roma tomato, right?
And here, and here, and then here, and here, and here, and here, and here, and
Wow,
here, and
there's
here.
a lot of tomatoes
and
on here.
And here, and
There, okay, I see that,
Here.
I see that. What about the other way? Can you go around and show me?
yes.
Here too, right?
Yeah.
Well, okay, I see it. You don't have to show me, I see it. Okay, can you say goodbye?
Bye-bye.
Thank you for showing us the tomato.